Okay, so this is kind of a crazy way to fix an Xbox controller, an Xbox One controller. I've never made a video, so sorry if I sound a little bit goofy. Alright, so today my controller broke. Here's the little peg right there. Broke clear off of this. Alright, and this is what it's supposed to look like. You can just pop these off. See, that's what that other one looked like. Anyway, after I disassembled the controller, I started thinking what I have around the house. So I saw this little hole right there. See it? Right there in the plastic. And I thought, a thumbtack might fit pretty well in that. So I kind of just set it in there, moved it around. It broke to where there's still a little bit of the original peg left. Not much, but a little bit. Alright, so I started taking apart the thumbtack. So the top part of it would fit in, there's a hole in that. In the center hole, that's where the wide part of the peg goes. After a couple hours of work, I came up with this. That little piece right here. This is the thumbtack that I've been working on. See, it has that little metal piece and then the blue part. You can actually take the blue part and it will fit. I filed it down and kind of melted it down. I don't want to push it in yet, but the blue part fits in this hole. Makes a new peg. And this metal part here will go in that hole. So it made a new one. What I'll do is I'll dip the bottom part of this into the Gorilla Glue after I get a little bit damp as it expands, and hopefully in a couple hours I will have a new well, not new, but a functional controller. The end.